This law will help you those who have wala kang motor, may inyong mga ginikanan, luan, mga vehicles. This law will help you. So this is called the Little Law or Public Act. Public Act in 642, which was enacted in July 15, 2024. For what purpose? So this laws take consumers who have purchased brand new vehicles that turns out to be defective. So this law will cover brand new vehicles that are under warranty. So when we talk about warranty, this will serve as a guarantee to those who have purchased vehicles na currently sa mga companies that are defective. So if ever these vehicles are defective 12 months, that are defective within 12 months or that runs away on 30 kilometers, whichever comes first. So this will apply only after repair attempts. Our vehicle has been out of service for 30 cumulative days. So sunod-sunod na 30 days, if ever yung vehicles na napalit is very defective at walang gamit. So you have the rights or guarantees that pwede iulit sa inyong money na inyong ipalit or pwede iulit ang sakyanan, including the replacement of vehicle, all full refund of your money. So, including those are the taxes, the registration fees, filing of complaints, or even you can file complaints to those who have deprived you or illegally defective na mga vehicles. So, this via Department of Trade and